Hello, dear viewers. How are you all? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope so. You all are fine, good, enjoying the good conditions of your health, and doing very well. So, dear viewers, dear girls, dear ladies, today I am back again with another very stylish, very stunning collection of summer wears, floral midi dresses. So in this video I'm going to share with you most demanding and trending ideas of floral midi dresses, so must watch this video till the end and don't skip any idea, don't skip any design. You will be find out more than 100 plus design ideas of midi dresses for your summer season, for your party wears, for your formal wears, daily wear, work wear dresses. So if you are looking for latest collection, latest design ideas of floral midi dresses, so this video is really going to be helpful for you, very useful for you. I hope so. You will get new ideas and new designs of dresses. You will love these designs, you will love these styles of dresses. You will be find out different colors, different styles, different designs, different fabric, different prints, amazing colors combinations and amazing stitching ideas of midi dresses. You will be find out A-line style dresses, you will be find out wrap style midi dresses, umbrella style dresses, belted styles midi dress design ideas, amazing neck designs, amazing sleeve designings, sleeveless dresses, half sleeve dresses, full sleeve dresses, layer styles, rubber work styles, patchwork styles. I love all these designs of floral midi dresses and I hope so that you will love these too, dear ladies and girls. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of floral midi dresses, so please do share my video with your friends, with your relatives, so that new people get new ideas and new designs of dresses and they will get new ideas about trending fashion. And if you are new on my channel, so please do also subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of my videos. So after getting the notifications of my videos, you will never miss any idea, any collection, any design on my channel. I always try to bring YouTube videos and useful content for you on daily basis. So don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was this designs of floral midi dresses for summer seasons, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, or which type of more videos will be useful for you, helpful for you. Tell me in the comment section. I really try my best to make my videos according to your opinions, so must share your opinions. I'm very thankful to you for your kind appreciation on my previous videos. Thank you so much for your kind support. Thank you so much for your positive feedback on my channel. So please keep supporting me, keep sharing my video and keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas and for more designs. I have already uploaded a huge collection of dresses on my channel, so for more amazing ideas, for more collection, for more designs, please do visit on my channel and check the other collection. You will be find out mother of the bride dresses, you will be find out party wear dresses, casual wear, formal wear dress design ideas for ladies and girls. You will be find out skater dresses, midi dresses, maxi style dresses, top designs, blouse designs, shirt designs, shoes collections, bags collections. So a lot of new ideas you will be find out on my channel on daily basis. So must visit on my channel and check the other collection. I hope so those videos will also be useful for you, very helpful for you, and you will get new ideas and new designs of dresses and trending fashion ideas from those videos. So as you can see, different and amazing styles of dresses, beautiful collection, beautiful ideas for your party wears, for your casual wears, for your daily wears. Hem style dresses, knee length dresses, umbrella dresses, A-line style dresses, belted dresses. You will be find out chiffon fabric, you will be find out embroidery work styles, you will be find out cotton fabric, silk fabric dresses. I hope so you will enjoy this video and you will love these designs of dresses. So if you are loving these designs, if you are loving these styles of dresses, so please do share my video. So thank you so much for watching my video. Please keep visiting on my channel for more collection, for more ideas, for more designs, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear ladies and girls, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and design for you. So till then, take good care of yourselves and goodbye till the next video.